time I come here, I learn new things. I try to buy local product, local food, local grown, local produce. I always see the level grown in Australia kind of thing. But Christine taught me you should care about food mileage. I was grabbing a packet of carrot. She said, Shamali, look the postcode and the place. So it was in Queensland. So why try to buy something Victoria grown? And look at the postcode. Is it really? Should I? I didn't know that. I always say I am a big advocate of eat local. So this is the thing I learned from her, and I'm sure she is going to teach me a lot of things. And I'm going to share all this experience with my viewers, especially those who are living in Australia and Melbourne.